Hi, I'm Shirley Molyneux, Account Manager with TNG for the ReaderLink account. Today I'm going to discuss Toys R Us and holiday merchandising. The next 5 weeks are the busiest and most important 5 weeks for ReaderLink and our book sales. We want to make sure everyone is prepared to handle the holiday season and are well equipped to deal with the heavy shipments. All stores should be serviced 2 times a week now through Christmas, and select stores 3 times a week. We need to make sure all product is out and set on the sales floor at each visit. We do not want any product left sitting in the back room after any service visit. The inline storybook and coloring sections of all Toys R Us should have been changing over these past 2 weeks. These changeovers should now be completed and drop titles returned. If you have not yet completed your changeover, please be sure to do so at your next scheduled visit. These changeover planograms are posted in the store-specific section of FieldLink TPS, and this is what it would look like for this section. These are the planograms you will be using from now through early spring for your spinner, storybook, and coloring sections. ReaderLink does not expect many returns to be sent back until after the holidays. The only exceptions are dropped planogram titles from the changeover and any books that may be damaged. This inline department should be packed out with product from the back room at each visit. So if that means you need to get slightly off planogram to do so, that's okay. All stores receive end cap product, whether you have a true end cap like this one, or an inline end cap, which would be the first 4 feet of your storybook section. For the rest of November and all of December, these end caps are to be set with the gift product titles like this one. You could find the planogram to set this end cap in your marketing plan, which comes in your shipments each month. At your Wednesday scheduled visit, the day before Thanksgiving, the field will be setting stores for the $5.99 Disney Treasury Black Friday sale. At this visit, the end cap gift titles here should be worked in line into the storybook department, and these Disney Treasury books set on the end cap. At your first scheduled visit after Black Friday, please reset your end caps back to this planogram shown in your marketing plan. The majority of our Toys R Us have a fixture like this one, and it's called the main owl fixture. This fixture changes once a month, and the planogram for this is in your monthly marketing plan that comes in your book shipments. When the new product for this fixture arrives each month, the previous titles should be pulled off. If the pulled titles are on your storybook or coloring planogram, place those titles in the called for section in line. Any titles that are not called for in line would be returned. This rack is also to be used like the end cap for the Black Friday Disney Treasury titles. At your Wednesday visit before Black Friday, work all of the current main owl product into your inline section. Then you're going to place these Disney titles on the rack for the sale. At the first visit after the Black Friday sale, you can reset your main owl fixture to the planogram that would be listed in your December marketing plan. Check your store coding on FieldLink TPS to see if your store is coded for one of these main owl fixtures. All Toys R Us have a seasonal rack like this one and receive product for this fixture every month like the end caps. As with the previous 2 fixtures that we have just discussed, this fixture's picture planogram typically changes monthly, and this planogram is in the monthly marketing plan as well. For the rest of this month and all of December, this fixture will be set with holiday titles. After setting the Black Friday Disney Treasury books on your end cap and main owl fixtures, and if you still have more of these titles to get out, you can use this rack as well. I would only use one side of this rack though. Place all of the Christmas titles on one side of the rack, and if you have to have mixed pockets for a few days in order to accommodate, that's okay. And the Disney Treasury books would be on the other side of this fixture. After the Black Friday visit, reset this rack back to Christmas titles on both sides, and it will remain set with Christmas titles on both sides through the rest of December. Some stores offer to let us use their wired dump bins, like this one, to accommodate the Disney Treasury titles. The store that I'm in right now would prefer that I use this bin for the Treasury titles versus using the fixtures that we just discussed. Please ask the store manager at your Toys R Us if they would like for you to use one of these wire bins. If not, that's okay. Then you would just use the fixtures that I just discussed to place the Disney titles on. Most stores have received 2 to 3 Christmas trays and a variety of outpost trays like this one. These trays should be set throughout the store next to similar product. For example, Christmas trays should be in the store seasonal area, Barbie trays in the Barbie aisle, and frozen trays near the frozen product. ReaderLink will be sending replenishment for all of these trays and fixtures in the inline sections we have discussed in this video. I cannot stress enough the importance of working out all product at each scheduled visit. Shipments are very large these next 5 weeks, and product in the back room is quick to build up if it's not worked out at each visit. I hope all of you have found this video helpful in getting through your first book holiday season with ReaderLink and Toys R Us. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, your RVP or coordinator.